Hey guys, welcome back to Financial Markets. Hope you're all doing well. So today I thought, I uploaded a Tesla video a couple of days ago actually, or last week now by the time you see this video. So I thought it would be quite interesting to show you how my portfolio has performed. Obviously Tesla wasn't the only position in the portfolio, but I thought it would be a good idea to see how my portfolio has performed while this market has collapsed. And so I've taken a screenshot of my brokerage account. I think most of you probably recognize what broker I use from this, but it is not an endorsement. I haven't been sponsored, so that's why I've not kept their name in here. But as you can see, so this is my year-to-date performance. And if you look on March 11th, obviously slumped a bit since, probably about, I think it's at 2 or 3. But regardless, this shows you how my portfolios are compared to the S&P. And if you see that the S&P has collapsed, at least with the March of it, if you look at March 11th, minus 16%, and I'm at 14%, which means I have generated 27% alpha gains. And so by any means, this is, amazing performance. And this is just to show all of you that this is not done by anything. Like, I haven't predicted coronavirus. I didn't predict it. The only way I have made money in my portfolio is through one way and one way only, which is what I've been preaching since I've been started this channel. It's a good, of course, good stock selection, good stock picking, a good idea generation, but secondly, it's risk management, and that's where most of the money is made. You have to manage your portfolio in such a way that even if a tail event, obviously this is a tail event, a coronavirus, if it happens, that your portfolio will reduce gains, but it can still broadly hold up its gains. And that was the idea of this book. Now, just to give you guys some clarity, Tesla was one of my positions, sure, but there has been a position that I've also been selling on this channel for, well, probably a year now since I pitched it. And I'll give you this again. This is one of my best positions, I think. I've been in this stock since about $14-ish, let's say $15 after all costs, and I was trading at 23. So I've made 50% on my money, and this is a company that I believe will have ongoing growth and could potentially go to $50-60 a share. And the reason for this is because the company is very much aligned to the new generation, which is streaming, it's gaming, it's all, and millennials and Gen Zs are all focused on consumer content, basically. You have this technology expansion in the last decade, which has now pushed people out of these repetitive jobs, people out of it completely, and also shifted the focus of everybody being more driven by technology. And so the next alternative for people when they have no jobs, or they've spent the whole day on a computer working, is to go and watch stuff like YouTube. And now this is basically, like, I think, an alternative to YouTube, but in China. So they're very much Chinese focused, and which is why I think, in China especially, there's massive gaming, anime, all of that stuff is very, very massive there. And I think this is why this stock will do really well. And so this has been one of my really lucrative positions, because I've had the biggest weighting in this portfolio, in this stock. And so that has definitely been one good key driver. But there's also loads of other things now that are starting to become attractive. So I pitched gold a year ago as well on this channel. Sorry, silver. I pitched it a year ago when it was around where it is now. But obviously I created a subsequent video that had actually made money off this. And obviously I've got out of it. But the point is, that's how you diversify the book. So I've had some precious metals to give the tail risk hedge piece. So that's how you want to structure your book and make money in this market. Hope you guys enjoy this video. See you guys in the next one.